If you've ever wanted to see glaciers, whales, and remote towns from your own balcony, this princess cruise might be the one. Here are the top 3 moments people love most, and the deal happening right now is honestly unreal. Moment 1. Glacier Bay. First, Glacier Bay National Park. It's one of the most protected places on Earth, and only a few cruise ships are allowed in each day. Princess Cruises is one of them. You'll sail into a quiet world of blue ice, still water, and massive tidewater glaciers. If you're lucky, you'll witness a glacier calving and hear the sound echo across the bay. It's not just a view, it's a moment you'll never forget. Moment 2. Whale watching from your balcony. Next, whale watching from your own room. Princess ships are designed for panoramic views, and Alaska delivers the wildlife. Humpback whales, orcas, sea lions, bald eagles. And yes, people really do see them from their balconies. No tour. No crowds. Just you, your coffee, and nature. Moment 3. Skagway Adventures. Then, there's Skagway, a gold rush town frozen in time. Wooden sidewalks, mountain views, and classic saloons. But it's also home to one of Alaska's most famous excursions, the White Pass and Yukon Route Railway. It climbs along cliffs and waterfalls with views you won't believe. And here's the part everyone's talking about. Princess is offering up to $500 in instant savings and free 3rd and 4th guests on select sailings. That means you can bring the whole family or travel in style for way less. Telephone receiver, call Lina Garcia to book now. 1-800-901-1172, extension 41064. She's available Monday through Friday to help you lock in your cabin. This isn't just a cruise. It's the kind of trip you'll remember forever.